Today is a very special day because we are here to celebrate the birthday on this wonderful 16th of October. I wish you a day full of happiness, laughter and love. May every moment today bring you to your heart and fill your life with beautiful memories that you will always cherish. Birthdays are not just about growing older, they are about celebrating your journey, your achievements and the existing possibilities that lies ahead. May this year bring you new opportunities, inspiring experiences and endless reasons to smile. Always believe in yourself and your dreams. Keep learning, growing and moving forward with confidence and determination. You have amazing potential and I hope this year helps you shine every brighter. May your life be surrounded by love, positivity and countless blessing every day, and may every step you take lead you closer to happiness, success and fulfillment. So let's celebrate today with joy, laughter and cheer. Happy birthday. May this year be full of love, happiness and wonderful possibilities. Once again, happy birthday. Keep shining, keep smiling and make every day special as today. Once again, happy birthday to you.